My name is Hamza Mufti. My research focuses on the historiographical review of British Indian administration. It explains the historiography that was written between 1857 and 1947, explaining the British administrative techniques over Indian territories. Moreover, in order to obtain a balanced narrative, I have selected both British and Indian historians in my research. Besides this, my thesis also argued that the histories which were written at that particular time were also taught at educational institutions in order to make Indians aware both from administrative structure and the Western concepts that played a pivotal role during the British rule. Selection of sources along with the suitable methodology are much important part of my research work. The sources which I have selected for my research include the works of William Wilson Hunter, Talboys Wheeler and Mary Das Ratan Swami. The prime reason behind the selection of these writers is that mostly they are not explored in a depth. It is important here to mention that while selecting these sources, I have maintained a gap of at least 10 years so that I can get a better understanding regarding to British rule. No works of missionaries have been included in my research as they deserved separate scrutiny. In terms of methodology, I have adopted the technique of simple discourse analysis. Through the help of this method, I have critically analyzed the text which I have selected for my research work. In other words, through the aid of discourse analysis lens, I have managed to look beyond the sentences of these colonial historians. For example, if G. Anderson in his work British Indian Administration is laying more stress on judiciary, I have tried to look why is he doing so. I believe my thesis will be helpful for the scholars who want to explore how the colonial histories were written under British regime.